regalo. Open mo na yung regalo.
Open!
Okay, okay. Yung regalo ni Mami Jade and Daddy Jury.
There!
Yeah. Wow, ang dami niyan. Hala, yung super dami. Anak. Careful lang, anak.
It's a
What, anak,
that's
what?
the one you order it.
No, from in the Philippines. I told Daddy Jury.
Yeah, that's the one, but that's the bigger one.
How much is this?
That's expensive.
Oh,
How
yeah.
much?
I don't know. That is the one who
Secret.
order it.
Why? You will pay them? Oh, see?
Now you have to build that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, baby, that's the
Ang
price.
dami niyan. Ang dami niyan, anak. How can you assemble?
Yeah, it's-
Nga, open mo na. Sige.
you're the one who order it, but daddy the... girl!
Oh, yeah. Ayan yung ano niya. Wow, say thank you.
Siya yung nag-order.
Oh, kiss mo si Mami Jade. Ayun. Mami Jade.
Ay, why you're not... Ikaw
Kiss mo
ah?
si Mami Jade.
Ikaw na nag-order niyan.
I-assemble na lang bukas na. Madami-dami to.
Yeah, you open.
Pagaling natin ng school. Yeah, it's a lot. Dami.
It's a puzzle.
Bukas natin.
I didn't even buy this.
Anong gagawin niyo dyan?
Yeah, but at least it's fun.
I-assemble niya, ganon?
It's fun.
Oh, assemble niya.
Oh, yan. Parang hindi na kayo mag-Roblox. Assemble mo yun, anak.
You wanna do it na? Pero hirapan tayo na. Kaso nga, padalihin na lang.
Open right now.
Anong sasabihin mo sa dati mo kay Mami Jade mo?
Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you.
Thank
You're welcome. The same girl. Siya yung nagpili ng ano eh.
Wow, nice yan.
What is this?
Moy, there's an instruction there.
Yeah.
Yeah, but